There's a new study led by Dr. Diana van Heemst of the Leiden University Medical Center in the Netherlands, which suggests that low levels of vitamin D might be associated with familial longevity. This is pretty interesting because it is counterintuitive in some senses. She says, we found that familial longevity was associated with lower levels of vitamin D and a lower frequency of allelic variation in the CYP2R1 gene, which was associated with higher levels of vitamin D. So previous work has shown that low levels of vitamin D are associated with increased rates of death, heart disease, diabetes, cancer, allergies, mental illness, a whole bunch of other stuff. However, it's not known whether that was actually, the low vitamin D was the cause of those or simply another consequence of those diseases that is correlated with earlier death. Right? We don't know that. This study looked at 380 white families with at least 2 siblings over age 90 in the Leiden longevity study. And they wanted to find specifically the connection between vitamin D level and longevity. And they looked at siblings, their offspring's partners, which included about 1,000 offspring and close to 500 controls. And the researchers measured the level of vitamin D, specifically 25-hydroxyvitamin D, which is a pre-hormone that's produced in the liver by vitamin D. And they categorized levels by month according to season. The researchers controlled for a number of factors, including age, sex, body mass index, time of year, vitamin supplementation, kidney function, all that stuff. The findings support an association between low vitamin D and familial longevity. Obvious question: correlation, causation. What else did they share genetically which could be vitamin D being low as a side effect as opposed to the cause of living longer?
Right. It seems like there could be a lot more research to be done here to prove that this is actually what's taking place.
What do you think, Natan?
Yeah, I mean, it could be that there is something else that's causing vitamin D to show a low blood level. Even if you take supplements, it might not raise the level. There's all sorts of things that this could be, but certainly we need to find out more.